Terry and Lydia here at the 2026 Street of Dreams. We're at the fourth house on the street this year. It's called Park Place by Creekside Homes. This home has 2,850 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and it comes in at about $2.2 million. But all that doesn't tell the whole story. There's 3 main features that are interesting about this house that we're going to show you today. The first is that they have a 3,000 square foot rooftop terrace. It's quite expansive. Look at all the space up here. And then they've got courtyards in this house. That's the second feature. Got all the views here and a fireplace. Here's the big courtyard that leads right into the living areas, and we've got one more to show you later. As we tour the home, I'll let you know that there are 7 really large homes right here on the main street at the Street of Dreams this year. There are several more homes scattered around the area, and there's a couple more right here by the parking lot. So we'll have one video for each of the 7 homes that we're touring today. Now we're coming up to the third feature that we haven't discussed yet, and that are 2 hidden rooms in this house. This one's a hidden butler's pantry. Now we've got the second hidden room. Not sure what to think about this. No pipe down to the second bowl. Now we're entering the primary suite. And the primary suite has its own personal courtyard. It also has these big retractable doors so your bathtub can be right out there in the open. A sauna. And your walk-in shower. As we come to the end of this tour, I want to say thanks for joining us today and remind you we have videos about the other homes on the tour and some of our other travels. We've got videos about our cruise trips, our ship tours, how much did it cost for us to go 60 days on cruise ships, and videos about places to go here in the Pacific Northwest. Please check them out.